all about AI, it's all about IT. We're still at the India AI Summit, and my colleague Prakash caught up with Padma Venkatesh of Infosys to understand the installations and products by Infosys and how it is going to be a game changer in the tech space. Here's a slice of that chat.
On behalf of Infosys, I think it's important for us to talk about that we are innovating in India, we are innovating for the world. So from Bharat to the world is how we look at it. At Infosys, our entire focus has been on talent capability. Before we talk about AI, it's important for us to make sure that every talent has the right skills, and that's where we are taking our learning pedagogy and learning style, which we have brought into Infosys Springboard, which is our societal offering. So what you will see over here is the entire platform, which is free of cost, enabled with AI features and with AI learning pathways. So even if you don't come from an AI or a technical background, you will have the complete wherewithal. There's a quick question in terms of what your skill level is, and it will go ahead and offer that. So that's as far as skilling is concerned. But after skilling, what are the different things that we are doing? When you look at the one thing that unites all of us, after cricket, of course, is a lot of sports. So here we're going to first talk about our tennis brand association, because when you look at these different associations, a lot of it is driven by data. And that's where, when we look at the entire engagement of fans, you're at home, you're looking at the experience, it's happening in terms of the TV conversation. But when you want to know the actual performance, that's where the data part comes in from Infosys, and that's where one of our tennis associations comes into play. So that's where we want to make sure that the world of sport is also touched by us. The other one that you will get to see is in terms of the Formula E. Everyone knows about F1 and what it does. Here is where, when we look at Formula E, it helps us really look at all the strategy and the data driven, and not just the speed that we are at. So when you think of Infosys, you're able to think of how AI is making a difference in the life of everyone, connected from learning to sports and more.
Okay, and of course, such products are already available in the market. So how does these products are different from those already exist in the market?
So, for example, if I were to stay with our sports association, they are not really as commonplace as we see a lot of our other friends in the industry offer. So these are very unique associations that we have. Also, when it comes to a host of them, we have about 12 plus showcases. Obviously, I'm not talking about all of them. The other one that you would look at is from a learning standpoint. Infosys is known to be the training ground of the industry. We are offering this completely free of cost, and what we offer our employees and clients is what we are offering the societal talent. Everyone aims to be having that Infosys train bit. I think that's the entire connecting the unconnected bit that we are taking care of.
Okay, so that's the word coming in from representatives at Infosys.